You've probably seen this guy screaming, "I am a surgeon," 1,000 times by now.
I am a surgeon! I am a surgeon! Dr. Hahn!
That's because, in the television show The Good Doctor, he is, in fact, a surgeon. The show centralizes on a theme wherein the main character, Dr. Murphy, played by Freddie Highmore, is autistic, and the show does an okay job of representing autistic people. It's not great, as they do focus on the whole genius savant stereotype, and the part where he yells, "I am a surgeon," over and over again feels pretty camp. The episode comes from season 2 and is titled Breakdown, and it's years old after debuting in 2019. At that stage, it gained a fair bit of attention online, but simmered down until 2023, wherein the internet began seeing it explode in popularity with thousands of edits. Many are simply roasting The Good Doctor as the most show ever, as they're interpreting Highmore's acting as subpar, as well as describing it as not exactly bad, just that it exists within a pretty generic medical drama that follows the classic trope of a certain type of person being the only one who can solve a certain medical problem. You know, like how House was all surly and mean, but only he was smart enough to save the day. This time it's someone who's unintentionally rude, but again, Dr. Murphy is the only one who can save the day due to his uncanny autistic savant talents. Dr. Hahn's stoic resemblance is also commonly played out as a Giga Chad archetype given his cool good looks, which fits well against Dr. Murphy's emotional breakdown resembling the classic over-explainer Soyjak stereotype. Within the context of the show, this bit does make sense as he's being fired for essentially being autistic, but out of context clips from The Good Doctor appear melodramatic and extremely corny. The show is actually based on a South Korean counterpart simply titled Good Doctor, which follows the same trope of an autistic savant character doing medicine. It's clear that Dr. Murphy breaking down is an emotional scene, and high emotions are what people tend to respond to best in terms of online content, so it makes sense I Am a Surgeon has been reposted millions of times. After all, that is exactly what social media algorithms are looking for. Anger, outrage, and outbursts are all what get people clicking, so to see this going absolutely bonkers just fits in perfectly with social media design. On another note, it's good to see Freddie Highmore out and about in meme culture after his days as a child film star are clearly over, even if it's for a very campy role. In short, I Am a Surgeon fits neatly within the parameters needed to fill the role of being devastatingly popular in meme culture, as it shows a screaming, crying guy repeating the same thing over and over again in the face of a stoic character. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe!